in this video I want to show you how to fold the rear seats of your Fold 500. Go over here. Okay, I simply open the door, and usually in cars you're gonna have on each corner a latch. This car does not have a latch. You need to pull the seat belt on the side, and this loop is usually hidden by it. You need to pull on this loop and the backrest will simply fall down. On the other side it's the same thing. You see the loop is sticking out, but maybe in your case it's hidden by the seat belt. So pull on it and the the backrest will be lowered and you're gonna have a flat floor. To put everything back, simply by doing this, it will be locked in place as long as you are not pulling on the loop. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.